Cadet teaching is a class offered at Smithville High School that allows students to get teaching experience. Today, we talked to Elise Cahill about the opportunities she has had with the program.
I teach Mrs. Garrett's kindergarten class, and we talk about reading and working through sight words, and we go through math time when I'm there just for that hour. So we do a whole lot just when I'm there, and it's really interesting. I love working with the kids. I love working one-on-one with them. I love helping them work through problems and helping them think about, if they have a behavioral issue, have them think through it and talk about it. And I love being the emotional support to them as well. I plan on probably going into child psychology. And so I would use Cadet as experience that I've done in the past and working with kids.
And then we're going to walk around and we're going to hear.
From SMN, I'm Jessica Gallett.
How many tens do you have?
If this is something that you're interested in, talk to Ms. McCrary or your academic counselor for more information.